How to place limit order in Bybit for spot trading. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to place limit order in Bybit for spot trading. After you open the Bybit, go to trade. After you go to trade, so the first thing to do, now you tap on this spot and then you tap on this PS to choose the PS you want to use. I'll choose this one. So for this video, let's say I want to choose BNB. After I selected BNB USDT, so the next thing to do, so if you look at this option now, the first thing to do, you tap on this option to choose the limit. So I'll tap on this option now and choose the limit. So from there, now you select the limit. After you select the limit, so the first thing to do, now you tap on this option now. So here is now the current price of the BNB. So if you look at this option, here is the current price, 846.2. That's the current price of the BNB. So now if you tap on this option now you set your own limit that you want to buy. So let's say I wanted to buy the BNB whenever the price goes to 80. So the current price is 846. So when the price goes down to 80, I wanted to buy the BNB. So now you specify the amount, the quantity you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy just 20 BNB. After you specify the amount you want to buy, and then here you'll be able to see the value in USDT, and then you tap on this buy button. So now you confirm. So if you scroll to down, here you'll be able now to see your buy option. So here is it now. So this is my open order. So here is now my order. So whenever now the price of the LTC goes down to 80, so if I come to this option, I will not be able to see this trade. It will just automatically execute the trade. So that's it, guys, on how to set the limit order in Bybit. At the same time, if you want to set the limit sell, so you go to this sell option. Under the sell option, so you tap on this and select your pace. So for this video, let's say I'll use LTC for this sell option. So after you select this one, so let's say now I have some LTC in my account, and let's say I want to sell them whenever the price goes off. So here is now the current price of the LTC, that's 75.95. So I wanted now to sell the LTC whenever the price goes to, let's say, 80. So now I'll set my price in this option, and I'll select limit from this option. So after you select limit in this option, so here you set your price, and then you specify the quantity in this option, and then you tap on this sell button. So from there, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the trade under this. So let's try it now. So I'll set this 80 USDT, 80, and then I'll specify the quantity. Let's say I'll sell my 50% of my LTC. After I specify the quantity in this option, here I'll be able to see the value, and I'll tap on the sell button. So I'll confirm the trade. So if you scroll to down, so here you'll be able now to see here is the sell order. So now I set it all to limits. As you can see, if you look at this option, you'll be able now to see all the limits. So these are all the limits, and limits. And that's it, guys, on how to place limit order in Bybit for spot trading. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.